What's up, TikTok? Welcome back to another day in the life here at Fox Valley Bikes. Today, we've got a classic on the bench, a wobbly wheel. This job came in from a customer who noticed their ride feeling a bit off and their brakes are rubbing, so what's the fix? It's called truing. First we let out all the air from the wheel. Then we are basically going to be adjusting the tension on each individual spoke to make sure the rim runs perfectly straight and round. Think of it like tuning a guitar, but for your bike wheel. It takes a bit of patience and a keen eye, but it's super satisfying to watch your wobbly wheel transform into a perfectly true one. Spin the wheel when the gauge has been tightened and count the amount we need to loosen. So 6 now loosen them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to repeat for the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now to repeat those for the other side, and just like that, smooth as butter, ready to get this customer back on the road with a perfectly tuned ride.